Welcome to next class. So now we have to discuss about rational numbers. So the set of rational numbers which are in the form of p by q, where p, q are integers and q is not is equal to 0. So numbers which are in the form of p by q, where p, q are integers, q is not equal to 0. Then these numbers are called rational numbers. The set of rational numbers are denoted by q. Q set is, we have to write like this, p by q such that pq belongs to z and q is not is equal to 0. So x is equal to p by q, or p by q means x is a rational number which is in the form of p by q. p, q are integers, q is not is equal to 0. So rational numbers also called as quotient numbers. Quotient numbers. Rational numbers also called as quotient numbers. Quotient numbers. So that's why rational numbers are denoted by Q. Capital Q. So set of integers Z, set of whole numbers W, set of natural numbers N. So set of rational numbers are denoted by Q, which are in the form of P by Q. PQR belongs to Z, means PQR integers, Q is not is equal to 0. So these are called rational numbers. For example, 7 by 3, 0, 2, minus 5 by 4. These are all rational numbers. See here, 2 we can write 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. 0 by 1 is nothing but 0. So these are rational numbers. The rational numbers, if p by q is a rational number, in this p is called what? P is called numerator. P is called numerator and q is called denominator. P is called numerator and q is called denominator. So here p by q is a rational number. In this p is called numerator and q is called denominator. Positive and negative rational numbers. Which are called positive rational numbers and which are called negative rational numbers? Let us see. So if a rational number having both numerator and denominator having same sign, either positive or negative. See here, minus 7 by 3, minus 7 by minus 3. It is a positive integer. Why? Because minus minus plus. Minus into minus, we are doing a division also same. Minus into minus plus. Here both positive. So positive rational numbers means what? Which are called positive rational numbers? A rational number having both numerator and denominator same sign. Either both positives or both negatives. Negative rational numbers means, if a rational number having either numerator or denominator, or we can write this one like this also. See here, if a numerator negative, denominator now positive, or numerator positive, denominator negative. So either numerator or denominator, or like this also we can write. So these are called negative rational numbers. So negative rational number we can write minus p by q also correct, or p by minus q also same, or we can write like this also. So these three are equal. Negative either in the numerator or in the negative sign is either in the numerator or in the denominator, or like this also we can write. So these are called negative rational numbers. Negative rational numbers. So which are positive rational numbers means a rational numbers having both numerator and denominator with the same sign, which are either positive or both either negative. see here. 0. About 0. 0 is also a rational number. 0 is also a rational number. We can represent 0. 0 by 1 by 0 by 2, 0 by 3. So 0 is also a rational number, but it is neither positive nor negative. Neither positive nor negative. So 0 is also a rational number. In this, we can write 0 like this. 0 by 1 is nothing but 0. 0 by 2. But any number by 0, division by 0 not defined. Means for example 2 by 0, 3 by 0, 4 by 0. These are not defined. That's why in the definition we said now Q is not equal to 0. Q should not be 0. Then only that is called rational numbers. So these are not rational numbers. Division by 0 not defined. Division by 0 not defined. 0 by any number we will get 0. So 0 is also a rational number. Next, standard form of rational number. Already in fractions we discussed, here also same. Standard form is what? If a numerator and denominator having HCF of 1, common factor 1. For example, 7 by 3. It is in the standard form or lowest form. Standard form. Standard form or lowest term or simplest form also this. So 7 by 3, their HCF is 1. Why? Because 7, 3 are prime numbers. See, if you divide 3 2s are 6, 1. HCF continued division method. 1 3s are 3. So what is HCF 1? So this is in standard form. For example, 24 by 36. These are, if you say these are prime numbers, we can say it is in standard form. These are not prime numbers. Simplify also possible. See here with the, if you take 4 table, 4 6 are 24, 4 9s are 36. Again 3 2s are 3 3s are. So 2 by 3. So now this one we converted into standard form. Means we have to simplify. Given rational number we have to simplify. For example, minus 120 by 30. Minus 120 by 30. Then what you will get? 0 0 cancel. 3 1s are 3 4s are. Minus 4. Answer what? Minus 4 by 1 is nothing but minus 4. So standard form is if a numerator and denominator having common factor 1 or HCF is 1. Just we are saying, remember, if the given rational number is simplify possible, we have to simplify, then it will convert into standard form. Not possible, that is already in standard form. Remember that. Next, what is the difference between fraction and a rational number? A fraction and a rational number. What is the difference? Difference between fraction and rational number. Fraction and rational number. Fractions also which form, Nana? Fractions also P by Q form only. Here rational numbers also P by Q form. Then what is the difference here? In last chapter, first chapter we discussed no fractions. Wherever we discuss negatives, no. So P by Q are, fraction is in the form of P by Q. P is numerator, Q is denominator, but P, Q are whole numbers here. P, Q are whole numbers. Here P, Q are integers. P, Q are integers. So what is the difference means? Fraction is also in the form of P by Q, where P, Q are belongs to whole numbers. Means P, Q are whole numbers. Here P, Q are integers. Means here only positives we are taking. Here positives, negatives and 0 also we are taking. So here all natural, some properties. All natural numbers, whole numbers, integers or rational numbers. All natural numbers, whole numbers, integers are rational numbers. But reverse not possible. All rational numbers are need not to be natural number, whole number and integer. All rational numbers. So all natural numbers, whole numbers, integers are rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers, but all rational numbers are need not to be integer. So just today homework problems. Represent on the number line. Represent on the number line. Thank you. Have a nice day.